Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: licensed Microsoft 365 Copilot and PowerPoint updates. Once confirmed, open a new deck and choose 16, 9, or a custom slide size so layouts match your output. Next, turn on Copilot from the Home ribbon and grant required permissions. This lets Copilot access content and generate slides. If you will use voice, enable the microphone and test a short prompt. Doing this now saves time later and makes generation faster, and you feed Copilot a concise prompt. Explain the purpose, audience, desired slide count, and tone. Once Copilot creates slides, review one by one and issue iterative edits. Say shorten this slide or add a chart to control length and focus. Make sure to ask for speaker notes when you need cues. Also, apply a slide master or theme so typography and colors stay consistent. These steps let you control structure and visuals while saving heavy lifting for content generation. You finish by proofreading every slide and speaker note, confirm facts and branding. Then run Presenter Coach or Rehearse to set pacing, slide timings, and animations. Export to PDF for sharing. If Copilot misinterprets a request, don't panic. Refine the prompt, supply an example slide, or ask Copilot to rewrite with specific constraints. Make sure to use version history to revert if needed. This final loop ensures accuracy, polished delivery, and reduces last-minute surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.